afternoon and welcome everyone. First and foremost, I would like to ask you if you all have this sheet with you. Do you have this sheet? If you have, you can show me. Yes. Every class has a sheet, every section I mean to say. Yes, very good. Yeah. Because another thing, so every class has and everybody is ready. So first and foremost, you know that in future tense we have four different uh, forms. Like we have simple future, then we have simple like future continuous, then we have future perfect, and then we have future perfect continuous. Okay, so this we have four, but we mainly use three. Perfect continuous is used very rarely. It is, although it is a tense, but it is used very rarely, and in common conversations and common language, it is like very used very less. Okay. So today you have a paragraph. I want you to do the paragraph first. Okay. So in this paragraph, all the are you paying attention, beta, everyone? Because I can see a few of you talking. Entails, I can see children talking. So everyone, pay attention here. So you have a paragraph. Go through the paragraph and there are three questions under it. So at the back of the sheet, you can write down or just you can underline the bold, the sentences in the bold, and then you can underline them and write on top of it what it is. Is it future simple? Is it future perfect? Or is it continuous? Okay. So this is exactly what I want. Read the paragraph very carefully. You have like, you can take like 5, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, like, not more than that. That would be the maximum extent I can give you for this paragraph. But I want all of you to go through it, understand it, and find out or identify the three different questions, the three different kind of sentences here. So continue, start. The time starts now. Read the paragraph. What happened to everyone? Are you reading? It is like I can read it with you one time. You read in your mind. I'll do the loud reading. Next year, Maria will graduate from university. She will have finished her degree in business and she will start working on her own company soon after. Maria is excited about the future and is planning her next steps carefully. In 5 years, I will be running my own business, she often says. Maria will start working on her business plan next month. Let me admit one more class. Next month, by the end of the year, she will have completed her market research. She will be focusing on eco-friendly products and opening an online store. Her goal is to make her business successful within the next 2 years. Maria will not be doing this alone. Her best friend Tom will be helping her with marketing. They will have completed their business plan by the end of this year. Together, they are determined to make their dream a reality. This time next year, we will be celebrating the launch of our company, Maria says confidently. I want you to read this paragraph. All the parts which have bold, which are embolded, okay, or which have bold letters, you will look at them and you will identify if they are future simple tense, future continuous tense, or future perfect tense. Okay, so read and start doing it now. As I told you, you have now 7 minutes because we have already utilized 3 minutes in reading. Tails. I don't want any movement right now. I want everybody to concentrate. I want you to read, understand, and identify. I can still see movement in Napier. I want you to take this seriously and do it. Yes, Richardson, middle row, first bench, done, finished? Have you finished all? Yes, if you have finished the whole thing, you can nod. Very good. Very good. I can see a lot of children raising their hands. So see how less time you required. We'll wait 2 more minutes for others also to finish. Then we can start the discussion. Just waiting for 2 more minutes for others to finish. And if you have finished this, you can start with the next exercise, the one at the top. Complete the following sentences using an appropriate verb form indicating the future. Okay, so again here, future. Rani blank have. I wanted to discuss something here, but before we started this, but you can, like, if you want to. Very good. I can see so many children raising their hands. Perfect. Very nice. Okay. I can start from Pascal. First bench, both the boys can come out. Okay. You can tell me one each. Okay. The first one, Maria will graduate from university. Maria will graduate from university. I haven't heard, Bache. I could not hear you. Pascal, Bache, I can't hear you. Could you please look into the mic, like, what is wrong there? Because I can't hear your voice at all. Pascal House, the first one will graduate is, what is it? Simple. Very good. Simple future. Simple future. Will graduate, simple future. See, this is how we identify. Simple future is will, or sometimes we can use shall also. Okay. Next. She will have finished. Will have finished. Will have finished. Yes. Hard. How? What is it? Pascal, how's the other boy? What is it? Very good. It is will have finished. It is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Will have finished is future perfect. Very good. We'll come to the next one. Will start. Will start. We'll come to the next one. Will start. Who will answer this? Okay. Pythagoras, middle row, first bench. Come. I can see a lot of children raising their hands. Pythagoras, on my right, last bench, two girls are there. You also come with the next two. Okay. Yeah, you also come. So here we have, next one is will start. Simple future. Yes, simple future. Okay. Will graduate is also simple future. Will start is also simple future. And will have finished, we know, is future perfect tense. Have आ गया ना वहाँ पे. I will be running. नहीं, Maria is excited. Non simple. Yes. I will be running. I will be running. What is I will be running? Future continuous. Future continuous. Continuous. Okay. And one more correction here in your pronunciations. Don't say continuous. It is continuous. Continuous. Okay. Everybody pay attention to this pronunciation. because I have noticed this, like many of you don't say it very correctly. So make a change. Continuous. Okay. Not continuous. It is continuous. Next. Will start is again simple future. Will have completed. Will have completed. Yes. Who will tell will have completed? Pythagoras. Towards the window, second last bench, there is a girl. Second last, yes, yes. Will have completed. Will have completed. Future perfect. Very good. Very good. Next paragraph. Will not be doing. Will not be doing, or okay, will not be doing. Maria will not be doing this alone. So what is it? Will not be doing. Yes. I can, someone from Napier. Anyone? Okay. The girl towards the window, towards my left. She has raised her hand. Yes, come. Will not be doing this alone. Will not be doing. Will people. It is continuous. It is future continuous. We know not be doing, like, it is in the negative. Yes. Then we come, will not be doing, then will be helping. Will be helping. Will be helping. Okay. Which is this RM? RM. Richardson. Okay. Richardson is there. Which room is RM? RM will be helping. Will be helping RM. Okay, middle row. I can see a hand raised. Turning around. Come on. Will be helping. Will be helping. Future continuous. Yes. Continuous. Continuous. Not continue. I'm going to keep correcting. Nobody will say continue. It is not right. You can go and listen to the dictionary, Cambridge or others. It is continuous. Okay. Next. They will have completed. They will have completed. Will have completed. Okay, so many Pythagoras, the whole class wants to answer. Pascal, okay, Thales. Thales, I can see towards the wall. My right, last bench, there is a boy who has raised his hand. Yes, come fast. Come. Will have completed. Future perfect. Yes, future perfect. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Perfect. R की sound नहीं आएगी. Perfect. Don't say perfect. Okay. Next. Are determined. Are determined. Are determined. What is it now? They are determined. Yes. Who will tell me this? Okay, Pythagoras, I can see so many hands raised. Okay. Towards my right, last two girls. Both of you come out. They are determined. I'm seeing perfect. They are determined. Yes. So what is it? Simple perfect. Okay. Next. We will be celebrating. We will be celebrating. Continue. Yes, it is continuous. Future continuous. So how many of you got all right? All correct? Very good. Lot of you. Big round of applause. 1 wrong, 2 wrong. If you have more than 2 wrong, then you have to work on it. Okay. So till 2, it's fine. Very good. Very well done. Well done. Now go to this, complete the following sentences using an appropriate verb for form indicating the future. Now what we are going to kind of like review a little, like when we use will and when we use going to. Okay. So basically when something is planned, like your vacation is planned. So I'll be going for a vacation. Will be going. Okay. But something you make a decision on the spot. I will help you. So it is your intention. Okay. Something which is time scheduled. Okay. Which has a plan or a timetable. So that they are going to, and something which is made on the spot, or you make a decision, or you offer help or something. So then you write will, because this is a little confusing. Many times, like, you can use both. You can change interchangeable hang, but many times they are not interchangeable. Okay, so you have to keep this also in your mind. Now, let's start. Let's start the first one. Which is the first one? Now, see, first one, we know that Rani, like, another baby in July. So, what will you write? Will or is going to? Because we already know something. It is going to happen in the future. So, what are we going to use here? Okay, Pythagoras. Towards the last two girls only keep raising their hands. Okay, I can see a girl on this side towards the window. Second last bench, come. What will you write here? Will have. Will have. Okay, I just told you. When something is, we already know is going to happen. जैसे आपने अपनी vacation plan की है, so I will be going. Now she is going to have a baby. We already know that she is carrying a baby. Okay, so it is going to be is going to. How many of you wrote is going to? Very good, very good. So always keep this in mind, and you will not make a mistake. Okay, something which is already, we know that it is going to happen. You have already planned it. Okay, so and you already know the train. Now see, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा catch है. Okay, sometimes we use which tense? We use present, simple present tense. Okay, we use simple present tense because it is scheduled. Trains don't leave any time. उनका एक timetable बना होता है. Whenever there is something which has a timetable, we can use simple present tense. Okay, so we can use simple present, or we can use like simple future also. So what will you have here? The train will leave. How many of you written will leave? How many of you written will leave? The train will leave at 6:30 tomorrow. It is already scheduled. Uska timetable hai. So basically, here you can use simple present tense. Leaves. The train leaves. Okay, the train leaves. This you have to remember. You have to remember that whenever we have any timetable, any scheduled thing, we can use simple present for future. So the train leaves at 6 in the morning. Okay, but if you will write the train will leave, it is okay. It is acceptable, but this is more appropriate, like simple present. Okay, so please keep this in mind. ये एक note बना के लिख लो. Make a note and write it down so that you don't forget it, because you might get such sentences in future too. Blank, I carry your bag. Blank, I carry your bag. Hardy, I haven't heard a single like hand raise I've seen. Okay. Towards my left, a boy sitting. The two boys who have raised their hands. Both of you come out. Both of you come out. Hardy House. or Hardy. True. There are two boys on my left. Okay, they had raised their hands. Now, no, they haven't. Okay. So, yes. What is it? Blank, I carry your bag. Will you answer this? Very simple. It's a question. Okay. So, what will you use with I? Simple. Okay. I use I will, I shall. So, what will you use here? It's a question. You begin with the question word. Okay. Pascal House. Middle row, there is a girl at the back. Yes, come forward. Yes, 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 the one who's looking back now. Comes quickly. Bache, come. Both of you can come. You can come with the next question. Blank. I carry your bag.
I will carry your bag.
बेटे फ्यूचर टेंस में हम शेल और विल यूज करते हैं सो यहाँ पे विल नहीं आ सकता व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी हियर yes because you're offering okay to help you're offering help shall I carry your bag okay next how many of you have written shall here how many of you wrote shall here very good you can see a huge a lot of children very good blank I blank you tonight. Something you have decided right now that I will do something. अभी decide हुआ है. Yes. So going to or will यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? Because you have decided it. Hardy house, first bench, yellow t-shirt girl.
I'm going to phone you tonight.
But then, okay, no, it will be I will because the decision is made something now. Okay, I will call you tonight. Okay. Next. I will phone you tonight. Blank hit you if you do that again. Blank hit you. Like, when you are on the spot, you're making a decision. Okay? Something you have not planned for the future. जब plan for the future होते हैं तो going to होता है बाकी उसी time जो decisions लिए हैं like you going to the restaurant you will decide okay today I'm going to eat I will eat Chinese तो will आएगा and this is like on the spot kind of a decision so what will you use here okay I can see a lot of hands and tails okay towards my right I can see a green t-shirt I don't know yes come forward yes come forward fifth sentence, I blank you if you do that again.
I will hit.
Very good. I will because usi time gussa aaya, you made a decision and you said, I know it's a violent sentence, but I wanted like it's easily understandable. Okay. So I'll hit you if you do that again. Abhi gussa aaya. That is why it is like on the spot you made a decision. Okay. Next. By next Christmas, we blank here for 10 years. अब यहाँ पे everybody keep in mind they are already living there and they will be living. So what will you use? Okay, so they have already lived there and they will be already living there. Yes. So when you have something like this, what tense will you use? Tails, middle row, last bench. Middle row, last bench. Yes, come.
Will live.
Will
Yes.
I will
Live. I will live.
no. Okay, it is continuous में आएगा. It is going to be continuous because you will be living for such a long period of time and you are still continuing to live. ये नहीं कि you stop living there. Okay. So you have to, yes. So what will you write there? Okay, I can see in Thales, I can see towards my right, last bench. There is a boy who has raised his hand. Yes, come, come, come. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, you are already living there and you're still going to continue living there. So what are you going to write? By next Christmas, we blank here for 10 years. We
Will be
blank,
living.
we will have been. We will have been living here. We are living here. We have been living here. We will have been because future hai next year. We have been living here. It's present. We have been living here. We will have been living here for 10 years. Okay. Next. This time tomorrow. Blank in my garden. अब again यहाँ पे continuous आएगा something. Okay, because you are going to do something. You are already planned ahead and you will be doing something tomorrow. So, okay, Richardson, first bench, the girl. This time tomorrow,
Will be working.
I will be working because the activity will be in progress. Kal, like, tomorrow I'll be traveling. Matlab tomorrow at 3 o'clock, I'll be traveling. I'll start traveling. So the activity will be in progress. So progress mein to you have to use continuous. Okay. So it is I will be working in my garden. Next. Phone me when you blank time. Phone me when you blank time. Okay. Yes, Pascal, first bench. When you blank time.
People have time.
Yes, when you have time. Very good. Next. I will follow you wherever you. Very simple. Yes. Hardy House, first bench again. I will follow you wherever you.
Will go.
Perfect. Wherever you go, I'll follow you. Next. We plan to Mexico next summer. अब हमने already plan कर लिया. Okay. So you will use will here or going to. क्या यहाँ पे use होगा? Already planned. Okay. So Napier House, first bench. Middle row. We blank to Mexico next year. Already we are going to Mexico next year. We are going to Mexico next year. Are going to. Okay. क्योंकि we है, so उसके साथ are आएगा and you're going to go. So already planned. Okay. So अगर this is how you do it. Will and going to, will on the spot, that you take the decision there and then, and or sometimes like it is you're offering help or you'll do something like I'll help you, I will help you, I will support you, like something like that. And the other one, when you have already planned and you went in for the future, it is already planned. Okay. So you're going to are going to meet my friend tomorrow. Planning ho chuki hai. We will see, we will do this next year. We are going to do this next year. We are going to visit Egypt next year. So something like that. Okay. So I hope everybody has done this well, quite well enough. How many of you got everything correct? Everything, both the exercises. Very good. I can see a few hands raised. That's amazing. And one wrong, two wrong. Okay. And if you get more than two wrong, then there is a concern. And as I always, in my class, I always tell that you should ask me more questions. Okay. You should ask me more questions. And if you have any confusion, you should ask me and get it cleared right there and then. Okay. So have a good day. Okay. Thank you.